Okay, as you can see at this point, price got to the 1.1, and my stops obviously guys is moved to break even. So if in case the price should retrace, as always guys, I've said this like a million times, in case price should retrace to that entry, then what's up guys, what's up, it's your boy XO, and in this video I will be live trading the forex market and showing you guys my best and most highly profitable forex trading strategy on how to use the EMA, which stands for exponential moving average, and Fibonacci break and retests and retracements and engulfing candlestick, price action, and all those good stuff in this video. So guys, will I make a profit in this video? Let's find that out in this video. So watch this video to the end to see my reasons behind every trade, my stops, my targets, my entries, my reasons for trading, and all those good stuff. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so let me just get this out of the way. This video is going to be a pre-recorded video, so the voicing you're going to be hearing is me talking after I've taken the trades, because it's quite difficult to keep up the pace while I'm trading and talking at the same time. I actually sometimes miss some entries, and it's quite difficult and really annoying, because when I'm trying to explain something, the price just quickly moves and I miss that entry and have to wait for a new one. So I've decided that I will take the trades, then come back later and break down and analyze and explain to you guys every reasons behind the trades. I hope that's fine with you guys. If that's not fine, then please just drop a comment and let me know guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so at this point, this is the first live trade on the EUR USD on the 1 minute time frame. I saw this beautiful breakout of the 200 EMA line as usual guys, the breakout of the 200 EMA line, and I drew my Fibonacci retracement tool from the highs where the price broke up from straight down to the previous recent market lows where the retracement started from. So a breakout and a retracement, and the highs and the lows is where I'm targeting. So I'm looking at the 60 and the 50 zone. Okay, so as you can see, price is below the 200 EMA line, and I'm looking for a selling trade. I'm not looking for a buying trade below the 200 EMA line. And as you can see, I can see the market moving down. I'm looking for an engulfing candlestick just to jump into this trade, but the price is just moving in the kind of way that, well, only the market knows what it's doing. So I'm looking for my entry. I just can't find an engulfing candlestick to jump into this trade, but let's just see if I can get one. Let's just see if the price will give me a chance to get into this trade, and let's see guys, let's see. So like I said, the price got to that 50 and that 60 zone, and you can see the market reacted and it retraced from that point, and you can see the strong movement to the downside. I am targeting that gray line down, and the price is just moving on its own. I just want to see an entry for this trade, and it looks like the market is closed, so let's look for a new trade. So this will be the second trade, the second live trade. As you can see, I saw this market this momentum to the upside, and kind of like I will make a video explaining this kind of entries and this kind of strategy guys, but I saw this market momentum and I drew my Fibonacci tool from that highs, from the point where the market started pushing up, and it's kind of tricky. So guys, this strategy is a little bit tricky, so I will make a new video explaining the strategy. So I saw this beautiful engulfing candlestick at this point, and I just jumped in the trade, and my stops just slightly below that engulfing candlestick. So let me fix that, and as you can see, my stops is below the engulfing candlestick, and I'll be targeting a 1 to 1.5 for this trade. And as usual guys, a 1 to 1, move your stops to break even. So let's bring out our horizontal ray line and plot our break even 1 to 1 zone. So once price gets to that green line, we'll move our stops to break even, and we'll be targeting a 1 to 1.5 for this trade. So once the price move a 1 to 1, move your stops to slightly above that entry candlestick, that entry point. So in case if the market should retrace back, you won't lose the trade, so it will be a risk-free trade. So let's wait and see what the market does. Guys, so as you can see, a 1-to-1. We moved our stops to break even, and guess what, the price retraced and it took us out for a break-even trade. Okay guys, as you can see, we moved our stops to break even for a 1-to-1 on this setup, and as you can see, price retraced and it clearly took us out for a break-even trade. So clearly we lost nothing on this trade, and obviously guys, we won nothing on this trade. So I'm very happy that at least I hardly lose my trades. It's just a break even, a win, a break even, a win, a break even, maybe like 2 loss in 10 trades, and it's pretty amazing guys. So if you, like I said in my last video, if you take a 1-to-1, then you're probably gonna have a lot more higher win rate. Alright guys, so the third live trade, and at this point, as you can see, price below the 200 EMA line, and I can see the strong momentum push to the downside, and I brought out my Fibonacci tool and I drew it from the point where the push happened to the retracement point. And as you can see, at the 61.8 and at the 50 zone, I can see this beautiful engulfing candlestick, and clearly my stop's just slightly above that engulfing candlestick, and a 1-to-1 will be a break even. Then like I usually say, once the price moves a 1-to-1, push your stops to break even, and you can target a 1-to-1.5. Okay, as you can see, at this point, price got to the 1.1, and my stops obviously guys is moved to break even. So if in case the price should retrace, as always guys, I've said this like a million times, in case the price should retrace to that entry, then we lost nothing and we won nothing on this trade. So let's wait and see if we get if we win this trade for a 1-to-1.5 or a 1-to-2, or basically guys, just trail your stops and cover as much pips and as much move and as much profit as you want from this trade. Okay guys, as you can see, a 1-to-1, a break-even trade was successful, so we lost nothing on this trade, and obviously guys, we won nothing on this trade. So I hope you guys enjoy, and this is kind of, as you can see, this strategy is unique. So if you guys want to see me make a video explaining how to use the strategy, then drop a comment saying you want me to make this video, and I will do it for you guys. Alright guys, so if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so if you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I will try my best to make it. Like I said, you never know guys, this video could change someone's life. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.